Hey guys, I got this 5-piece bottle storage set. I can't say enough good things about this. So all of these parts come apart individually, and then the drawers also come apart so that you can store these individually on the counter, in the fridge, or you can stack them all together. There's 2 different sizes of each compartment, and then there's one here on the bottom. As you can see, I store a ton of stuff here on the bottom. I even have more stuff that I put here normally. I'm able to store my washed bottles. I'm able to store extra bottles. I'm able to store bottles that I bring with to work. One of the main features that I love is it comes with these little tab stickers, and these are just a little bit like gel. They stick right here onto the bottom to make sure that if you're putting these in the fridge or whatnot, they are non-slip. So all you do is you stick them on, and then once you put them on the counter or in the fridge, as you can see, they're very non-slip. I love that when I'm heading to work for the day, I can just put frozen milk in these, and it keeps it stored and contained in the refrigerator. And then when I'm done, I can just go ahead and put it back on here on the counter, and I can use it as needed again. So to clean this, some water and some soap and just let it air dry does perfect. This is very durable altogether. I love that I can store so many different bottles. But like I said, I can store all of my pumping things, all my bottles, everything is organized. It's in one spot, which makes my life 1,000 times easier. So for any new mom, maybe a shower gift, this is a great option because it's really going to help organize and keep everything together in one spot. Go check it out.